Here's a rundown of the example system that we're adding a hit point system to. So in void update, we're calling this shooting.maybeshoot function. Let's have a look at it there. And in it, if we're pulling the trigger and enough time has passed since our last shot, then we call this fire function here, which is where we're going to be doing all the action. So we're going to add something here that can check the object we shot for something called hit points and then reduce them by the amount of damage our gun does. So I've created this destructible sphere. It's just a default sphere. Now let's create a script called HITPOINTS, which we can add to the object. Let's edit that here. So we're going to add a variable, an integer, public integer, so we can access it from the shooting script. We can set the hit points in the inspector and then reduce them by shooting them at runtime. We've got a function called reduce hit points. Every time it gets shot, this will be called, and it will reduce the total number of hit points by the bullet damage of whatever just shot the destructible sphere. Now we need to access that. So in player, we've got a struct which holds variables like bullet damage. It passes this through to shoot settings. And then in the fire function, in this physics.raycast thing, it sends a raycast.impact, and from the impact we can get the collider of whatever we've shot and get the component hit points. Now we're going to declare a hit points object called hit points, which will be equal to the hit points object script of the impact collider. And if the object has hit points, then we'll call that reduce hit points and pass in our bullet damage. Now, if we shoot it, we'll say, okay, we hit the name of the object, and that we're reducing the hit points by the amount of bullet damage. Let's test it out. We'll have to add the hit point script, which we have done, but we're going to have to set the hit points. I'll just use 100, and we'll set the bullet damage. So 20. Okay, you saw in the console. Okay, we shot it 3 times now. Now we shot it 6 times. Now we shot it 8 times. So let's say, okay, it's gone from 100 to -60 in those 8 shots. Now let's create a script called bad guy. This will also be attached to the destructible sphere, and this is what is keeping track of hit points. Now, of course, you could put the hit points directly in this bad guy script, but the benefit of hit points is that you can just attach it to any object. So I could use it for AIs and players alike. Now, every frame will check if the hit point count is less than or equal to 0, then we die, or we destroy the game object. Now we'll also say, oh no, we've died. Well, in this case, oh, you got me. Dies. So we've got to add the bad guy. But we'll actually remove the hit point script just to demonstrate the require component thing. Look, it works. It automatically adds. Now let's check. Okay, we've shot it 3 times. It should be on 40 hit points. 5 shots. Yep, 5 shots takes away all 100, and it does. So the script works. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and give suggestions for the next video. Cheers.